Boeing is at a critical juncture as CEO Dave Calhoun announces his departure, prompting a search for a new leader to navigate the aerospace giant through a tumultuous period marked by safety incidents and production challenges. The new CEO will inherit the colossal task of restoring trust with airlines, regulators, and the public, alongside steering Boeing towards a future that prioritizes safety and innovation. This leadership transition comes as Boeing grapples with a series of safety mishaps, prompting a Department of Justice probe and intensifying scrutiny from various stakeholders. The call for a broader cultural shift within Boeing emphasizes the need for a leader capable of championing safety, improving operational execution, and spearheading the development of the next generation of aircraft. Amid these challenges, the future of Boeing hinges on its ability to recalibrate its strategic direction, reinforcing safety and quality as its core principles. The leadership change represents a pivotal moment for Boeing, offering an opportunity for renewal and a chance to reaffirm its commitment to excellence in aerospace innovation and safety.